Okay friends, next question. Find the power of point minus 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So to find out the power of point, first of all we have to know the concept of power of point. Example, this is the circle. This is the circle. So then there is a point is there in the plane. There is a point P. It is a x1 y1. And it is a circle S is equal to 0. So to find out the power of this point with respect to circle, the formula is S11. What here? S11. This is the power of point. So we will find out the S11 here to find out the power of point. So therefore, the given equation, the given circle equation is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. It is a yes. So then the given point x1 y1 is equal to minus 1 comma 1. Then the power of point is equal to S11. So now S11 means we have to substitute the x1 y1 in place of x2 directly. So we get that here x1 means here minus 1, minus 1 whole square plus 1 square minus 6 into x minus 1 plus 4y into 1 minus 12. Get that here minus 1 whole square become the 1 plus 1 minus it minus plus 6 plus 4 and minus 12. Get that here 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11 plus 12 minus 12, we get that 0. Therefore S11 is equal to 0. Therefore we get that here the power of point is 0. So in this way we can find out the power of point. Next problem, find the length of the tangent from minus 2 comma 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. So before go to this problem, we have to understand the formula here. This is the circle, and this is the S is equal to 0. Here point P, it is the an external point. So then we can draw the two tangents from the point P to the circle. This is one tangent, this is one tangent, this one tangent. So this is called as the P to A example, P to B, it is called as the length of tangent. Then ikkada manaku PA and PB both will be same, and then the length of tangent PA is equal to the formula root S11. This is the length of tangent formula is root S11. So what is given here? Find the length of the tangent from the minus 2 comma 5, and ikkada P given minus 2 comma 5, and the circle S given x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0. So to find out the length of tangent like PA or PB is equal to root S11. So then take that here the given circle S equivalent is equal x square plus y square minus 25 is equal to 0, and the point given that here x1 y1 is equal to minus 2 comma 5. Then length of tangent from this point to the circle is equal to root S11. So then that here root S11 means I already told that here to substitute the x1 y1 in place of the x2 directly. We get that here x square means minus 2 whole square plus y square means 5 square root minus 25. The root of minus 2 whole square become 4 plus 25 minus 25. They get cancelled. We get that here root 4 nothing but 2. Therefore length of tangent is 2 units. Next problem is, if the length of tangent from 2, 5 to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0 is root 37, then find the k. So first of all, we have to take that this is the given circle. This is the point 2, 5. So then the length of tangent is root 37. So then what is the value of k asked here? So then take that here. First of all, the given circle equation is s is what here, x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0, and the point x1 y1 is equal to take as the 2, 5. Then the length of tangent from where, from 2, 5 to s is equal to root 37. So then what is the formula of length of tangent? That is the, we know that here length of tangent is root s11. Therefore take that here root s11 is equal to root 37. So then root s11 means substitute the x1 y1 in the circle equation directly. To get that here, the root of, and if you apply the square on both sides, the root get cancelled. We get that here s11 is equal to 37. So then s11 means substitute the 2 plus of x, 2 square plus 5 whole square minus 5 into x and 2 plus 4 into y is 5 plus k is equal to 37. So then we get that here the 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 5 for the 20 plus k is equal to 37. So then only 20 plus 25, 45 plus 4, 49 minus 10, 39 plus k is equal to 37. So then k is equal to 37 minus 39, the k is equal to minus 2. That k is equal to minus 2. Therefore the value of k is minus 2. So this way we can find the value of k. Next question, same type of question. If the length of the tangent from 5, 4 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0 is 1, then find k. So here given circle, this is the circle, and same way this is the an external point, that is the tangent. This is the point given that here 5, 4, and the length of tangent from point to the circle given that here 1. అయితే మనకు what is the value of k? So therefore చూడండి, మనకు the given circle is s is what here x square plus y square plus 2ky is equal to 0, and the point 5, 4. Therefore it is the x1 y1. Then the length of tangent to s is equal to 0 from 5, 4 is 1. Therefore the length of tangent formula root s11 is equal to, we have the 1, the length given 1. Then root s11 means substitute the x1 y1 in the circle directly. X1 means here 5, therefore 5 whole square plus y square means 4 square, and then 2ky means plus 2 into k into y means 4, y value is 4 is equal to here the 1. So we have to apply the square on both sides. It become the root get cancelled here and get the 1 square means 1 only. Therefore we get the 25 plus 16 plus 4 to the 8, k is equal to 1. So then it is the 25 plus 16 become the 41. For 41 plus 8k is equal to 1. Then 8k is equal to 1 minus 40. Then 8k is equal to 1 minus 41. 1 minus 41, we get that 1 minus 41 is equal to minus 40. And k is equal to minus 40 by 8. 8 5s are 40. Therefore k given that minus 5. K value is minus 5. Next question, find the condition for the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is a normal to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So before this problem we should know what is normal here. So for that purpose, this is the circle, and this is the a point P on the circle. It is a point P in the circle. So at the point P we can draw the one tangent, which is this is the tangent at the point P, and this it will be touch the circle at the only one point, that is the P, and through this point P there is the one line which is perpendicular to the this tangent. అంటే tangent కి ఎలా ఉండాలి, perpendicular గా ఉంటూ it goes to the center. It's called the normal to the circle at this point P. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, so at the point P the normal through the center C passes through the center C. అంటే చూడండి ఇక్కడ any normal on the circle compulsory passes through the center only. So we have to use this condition to solve this problem. What we have here, find the condition for the line lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is a normal to the circle. This is the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then this is the circle. And example at some point. So this is the normal. What is the normal here given that is the lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the normal. అయితే మనకు కండిషన్ ఏంటి, what is the condition if it become the normal. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఈ నార్మల్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, కంపల్సరీ passes through the center of the circle. So therefore the given circle is what here, is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And the normal given that here, normal is what here, that is the lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. చూడండి, from the circle equation what is the center c is equal to minus g comma minus f. So already we know that, and this line ante the normal is passing through this center c like this. Therefore substitute this center on the line. Therefore l into minus g and plus m into minus f plus n is equal to 0. Then we get that here, this is the minus lg minus mf plus n is equal to 0. Then transpose the lg and mf other side, then become the positive. Lg plus mf is equal to n. This is the condition for that if lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the normal to the given circle equation. Next question is find the polar of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. So first of all, you should understand what is the polar. So I am taking the one circle. It is the one circle. This is the external point. This is the point P. Through the point P, we can draw the number of tangents, number of secants to the circle. This is the one secant, and this is one secant. This one secant. Like this, we can draw the number of secants to the circle, and it will be intersect the circle at the points like A, B, and A1 and B1, and A2 and B2. So if you draw the tangents at the A, B, they will be meet at the one point. Same if you draw the A dash and B dash, they will be meet at the one. So meet at the one point. And same way if you draw the tangents are like this, they will be meet at the only one point. And these all points are on the one line. So all points are on the one line. So this line is called as the polar of P. So it is simple here. So we can draw the many secants to the this circle from the point P. So point P is the external point here. So these secants intersects the circle at the 2 points, that is the A, B, A dash, B dash, A2, A1, B1, A2, B like this. So if you draw the tangents at the A, B, A dash, B dash, and C dash, A2 and B2, so they will be intersect, and the point of intersections of these tangents would be collinear, and they are on the same line. So then the line is called as the polar of the point P, and this point P is called as the pole of the this polar. So it is the polar, it is the pole. Pole is a point, polar is a line. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకు the formula of polar is equal to S1 is equal to 0. So for the many things we have used the same formula, like tangent, chord of contact, and polar we have used the only S1 is equal to 0. Therefore to find out the polar we have to use the point S1 is equal to 0. We use the same point, same formula here. That is what here. Find the polar of the point 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. So then only the given circle, the circle equation given here, yes, is x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 0. So this is the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 form. So therefore if you compare them both, we get that here 2g is equal to minus 10, then 2f is equal to again minus 10, then c is equal to 25. Then we get that here g is equal to minus 5 and f is equal to minus 5, then c is equal to 25. So then the given external point is what here, then the point given that here 1 comma minus 2 take as the x1 y1. So then the polar is equal formula chesi manaku the polar of x1 y1 is s1 is equal to 0. But what is s1 here? It is the notation we already told, that is the s1 is equal to x1 plus y1 plus g of x plus x1 plus f of y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. Now substitute these values in this formula. What is the x and x only? x1 is the point here 1 plus y1 is minus 2. తర్వాత g అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు -5 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి -5 of x అంటే x only, x1 means +1, then again f is equal to -5 y plus -2 అంటే ఇక్కడ y become -2, y1 become -2 plus c is equal, we got 25, 25 is equal to 0. Then we do that here, x plus minus 2y, so minus 5x minus 5 minus 5y plus 10 plus 25 is equal to 0. So then we get that here, x minus 5 is equal to minus 4x minus 2y minus 5y minus 7y, and we get that here minus 5 plus 10, so 5 plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 0. So if we take the common minus outside, we get that 4x plus 7y minus 30 is equal to 0. So this is the polar of the point 1, 2 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 10x minus 10y plus 25 0. So it is the circle, and this is the point nothing but 1, minus 2. It's polar like this. This is the polar. Next question, find the pole of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to r. This is the circle equation. What is what here? X square plus y square is equal to r square, and this is the polar. This is the polar given what here? In that here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. What is the pole? What is the pole? So this is our task. So we find out the pole. First of all, the given circle. The circle is what here? That is x square plus y square is equal to r square. Leda s equivalent x square plus y square minus r square is equal to 0. This is the circle S, and we don't know what is the pole. Kabatti, take that here. Let the pole is x1 y1. Let the pole is x1 y1. So then, according to the formula, the polar is s1 is equal to 0. Then s1 means what here? That is the x1. ఇక్కడ మనకు gf లేకపోతే తీసుకుందాం, x plus x1 and y1 minus r square is equal to 0. This is the polar what we found. And kada, but what given here? The given polar. Given polar is what here? That is the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. The b. So మనకు ఏంటిది polar. What we found out this for this pole. This is the x1 y1 అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి, so with this pole we got the polar is what here? x1 plus y1 is minus r square is equal to 0. And but what is given here? Given that here that polar is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So ఇక్కడ both will indicate the same line. So a and b represent the same line. Therefore a comma b represent same line. Okay, when two equations indicate or represent the same line, then the ratios of x, y and constant in the same ratio. What take that here? Then that here a by coefficient of x, a by coefficient of x is x1 is equal to kada b by y1 is equal to kada c by minus r square. So from this we can find out the x and y. So to find out the x1 y1, first of all equate the first term and last term and second term and last term. Therefore a by x1 is equal to c by minus r square. Then b by y1 is equal to c by minus r square. So ఇక్కడ మనకు take the reciprocals. Therefore you get that here x1 by a is equal to reciprocal here minus r square by c. ఇక్కడ మనకు so y1 by b is equal to minus r square by c. So then x1 is equal to take the transpose the a this side become the into minus r square into a by c. ఇక్కడ y1 is equal to minus r square into b by c. So then x1 y1 is equal to, we get that here, so minus a r square by c comma minus b r square by c. So this is the pole for the given polar. Okay, next question. If 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 35, then find k. This is the question. First of all, you should understand what mean by the conjugate. So you should first of all understand that here this is the circle, and this is the point P x1 y1, point P what here x1 y1, and this point P and its polar is like this. This is the polar of the point P. Polar point P. So then this is the polar of point P, and there is the one point Q is there, and this polar there is the point Q, that is the x2 y2, and the polar of the point Q is like this. So if every year అంటే ఇక్కడ సింపుల్ చెప్పాలంటే P యొక్క పోలార్ పైన Q ఉంది, Q యొక్క పోలార్ పైన P ఉంది. సో ఈ విధంగా ఉంటే గిట్ట వాటిని ఏమంటామంటే మనం దే కాల్ యాజ్ ద కాంజుగేట్ పాయింట్స్. ఇక్కడ P, Q ఆర్ కాంజుగేట్ with respect to the circle. Very simple. If P lies on the polar of Q and Q lies on the polar of P, so then those two points are called as the conjugate with respect to the given circle. And if x1 y1 and x2 y2 are conjugate with respect to the circle S is equal to 0, then the condition is S12 is equal to 0. This is the formula we have to use to solve this problem. S12 is equal to 0. ఇప్పుడు అది ఈవెన్ x1 y1 and x2 y2 are conjugate points అయినప్పుడు, then take that here S12 is equal to 0. Apply the same formula here, we get the answer. Therefore the given circle is what here, the circle equation S is what here, x square plus y square minus 35 is equal to 0, and the points take the one is the x1 y1 and one is the x2 y2. So x1 is what here 1 comma 3 and this is the 2 comma k. ఇక్కడ మనకు చూడండి, so these two points are conjugate with the circle. Therefore 1 comma 3 and 2 comma k are conjugate with respect to the S is equal to 0. Therefore here ఫార్ములా వచ్చేసి మనకు S12 is equal to 0. మరి S12 అంటే ఏంటి అంటే సార్ x1 ప్లస్ y1. ఇక్కడ మనకు GFR ఆప్షన్ కాబట్టి -35 is equal to 0 directly. Therefore take that x1 x2 y1 ఇక్కడ S12 కాబట్టి x1 x2 plus y1 y2 is equal to -35 is equal to 0. Then x1 is what here 1, then x2 is 2 plus y1 is 3, y2 is k, -35 is equal to 0. So then this 2 plus 3k minus 35 is equal to 0. Then we get that here 3k and 35 minus 35 plus 2 is equal to -33 is equal to 0. We get that here 3k minus 33, this side become the plus 33. Therefore 33 is equal to 3k. Then k is equal to 33 by 3, nothing but k is equal to 11. Therefore the value of k is 11. This k is 11. Thank you. Next question, find the value of k. If the points 4 comma 2 and k comma -3 are conjugate with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0. So it is also an important question. So therefore take that here the given circle is what here is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 8y plus 6 is equal to 0. If you observe, it is in the form of the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0 ఫార్ములా ఉంది కాబట్టి if you compare them మనకు 2g is equal to -5 వస్తుంది, తర్వాత 2f is equal to 8 and then c is equal to 6. So then from this here g is equal to -5/2, then f is equal to 4. So the given points are what here? The points are given that here, the points 4, 2 and k, -3. మనకు 4, 2 and k, -3 are the conjugate points. What is the condition here? The condition is s12 is equal to 0, like similar problem only. Therefore s12 is equal to 0. But what is s12 is equal to? Nothing but here x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g of x1 plus x2 plus f of y1 plus y2 plus c is equal to 0. So this is the condition. So what is the x1 x2? x1 is 4, x2 is k, y1 is 2, y2 is equal to 3. And here x1 y1 x2 y2. Therefore here x1 ante 4, x2 ante k plus y1 ante 2 and y2 ante -3. g ante -5/2 and x1 ante 4 plus x2 ante k and then plus f ante 4 and y1 ante 2 and y2 ante -3 and plus c ante ikkada plus 6 is equal to 0. If you simplify this, we get the answer, that is k. So now we get that here this is the 4k -6. So then -6, you will get that -5/2 into k into -5 4 is 20/2. Then we get that here plus into -5k/2. Then we get that here 4 2 is 8 -4 2 is 12 plus 6 is equal to 0. Then 2 1 that is 2 10. So now 4k -5/2k. So 4k -5/2k. So then we get that here -6 -10 -16 -16 plus 8 -8 -8 -12 -8 -20 -20 plus 6 -14. Get that -14 is equal to 0. So then we get that here transpose of this become the plus. Therefore 4k -5k/2 is equal to 14. Here 2 is the LCM, then 4 to the 8k -5k is equal to 14. Then 8k -5k to the 3k/2 is equal to 14. Then 3k is equal to 14 into 2. Then k is equal to 14 to the 28 become the by 3. Therefore the k value is what here 28/3. So this is also one of the important problem. Next question is find the chord of contact of 1, 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. So first of all, what is the chord of contact we should understand. So for that purpose I will explain. See here, first of all it is the circle. This is the circle, and we know that here from an external point we can draw the two tangents. This is the one tangent, this is one tangent, this one tangent, this one tangent. Touch the point A and B. So what is the A and B? These are the point of contacts of the tangents from the point P to the circle. So no, if you join the A and B, so this is the AB is called as the chord of contact of point P. Then simple P nunchi, if you draw the two tangents, రెండు టైమ్స్ డ్రా చేసిన విధంగా వేస్తున్నాయి. దీస్ టు టచ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఎట్ ద పాయింట్ ఏ అండ్ బి. అయితే ఇఫ్ యూ జాయిన్ ద ఏ అండ్ బి ఇట్ బికమ్ ద కార్డ్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద card of contact of P. Why? Because it is drawn at the point of contact, so the tangents from the point P. Kabatti, therefore, AB is called as the card of contact. What is the formula for the card of contact? It's nothing but S1 is equal 0, like tangent formula. S1 is equal 0 is the formula for card of contact. Therefore, we apply the same formula here. So now, what is going to here? This is the circle equation. That is the x square plus y square is equal to 9. It is circle. This is the circle. This is the point 1 comma 1. Example 1 comma 1 is the exterior point. You can draw the two tangents to the circle. This is the 1. This is the 2. So they touch the circle at the point A and B. If you join the A and B, we get the one line segment. This is called as the card of contact of point 1 comma 1. Therefore, see that here the given circle, but here S is equal to x square plus y square minus 9 is equal to 0. As 9 is equal to 0, then the point given that here, the point 1 comma 1, take it as the x1 y1. Therefore, the card of contact of 1 comma 1 with respect to circle S is equal to 0 is S1 is equal to 0. What is the S1 is equal to nothing but x1 plus y1. ఇక్కడ మనకు G and F are absent కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్లీ -9 is equal to 0. మరి x1 అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ 1 కాబట్టి x into 1 plus y into y1 into 1 minus 9 is equal to 0. Then we take that here x into 1 x plus y into 1 y minus 9 is equal to 0. So it become the card of contact of the point 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle, and x square plus y square is equal to 9. Next question, find the equation of circle passing through 5 comma 6 and center at -1 comma 2. First of all, we have to find out its radius. It is a circle. 5 comma 6 is the point on the circle. Through this point the circle is passing and center is C. Then this is become the radius R. Therefore, the given center here h comma k is equal to minus C 1 minus 1 comma 2, and the circle passing through, take as the point P, then P 5 comma 6, then radius R is equal to CP. Therefore, CP is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square, means -1 minus 5 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 2 minus 6 whole square is equal to root of, which is the -6 whole square plus -4 whole square. That on root of 6 is the 36 plus 4 4 is 16. Nothing but root of 2 carry 1 452. 52 root 52 is the radius R. Then what is the h comma k center given here? -2 -1 comma 2. So when center and radius are available, then the circle equation is what here? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Then x minus h is equal to -1 minus plus 1 whole square plus y minus k. So y minus k nothing but 2 whole square is equal to r square, that is root 52 whole square. It cancel here, we get that here x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x and plus y square plus 4 minus 2y a square plus b square plus 2ab a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 52. Then we get that here x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y and then 1 plus 4 plus 5, it becomes minus 52 is equal to 0. Get that here x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y ఇక్కడ మనకు so minus 47 is equal to 0. This is the circle equation for the given conditions.